What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Today is going to be a different and special episode for me. This is something I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now, where I just want to show you guys, especially if you're not from Vancouver, what it's like to drive around in Vancouver. And I want to do it from a special angle, riding a scooter. Now, some of you are going to ask, well, why a scooter? I thought it was just a different angle that wasn't, a usual dash cam video from a car. I want to ride a motorcycle, but unfortunately I don't have my motorcycle license. So I end up riding with Maple Leaf Rider, who many of you guys have seen his videos or his video clips in my compilation videos. So him and I did a ride over a couple of days, and this is the result. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, if you guys like it, hit thumbs up and also subscribe. Also subscribe to Maple Leaf Rider's YouTube channel if you haven't already. The link will be in the description below.
Woo, look at that view. That's why people move to Vancouver.
Oh, you missed it. I got it. Oh, missed it. Dude, she's back into that car.
She's back into it?
Back into that car.
Is she gonna stop?
Nope, she's gonna leave. Well, she's gonna get gas.
She hit it?
That silver car, Mercedes, yes, she hit it.
Oh.
I almost want to go look at the Mercedes.
Let's go take a look. Oh no.
Fuck, of course.
What happened?
Well, get her information.
Yeah.
It's this red car.
So she hit the back, hit something, eh?
Yeah, kind of in this corner, but you can't see anything.
Yeah.
So she's right there. It's okay.
Thanks, eh?
Okay.
Still filming. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh my
I knew something was gonna happen. This thing was too popular. There's too much demand. I just circle around.
There's too many people in one spot.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
And she's old, right? So she was gonna back up into that stall initially. Then she changed her mind. She wanted gas, right?
Yeah.
But if she just went in, this person would have left. She could have had that stall. But she did like a stupid dance, and then she fucking backed up the second time.
The 20-point turn.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what tough.
Get off your hose. Get off your hose.
Well, you got pop. Oh, come on, dude. Go. Oh my gosh. No.
Oh my.
No,
Yeah,
the red light.
Little red.
Oh my god. That truck could have definitely gone.
Little red. No, still good. You pull before it changes.
According to the regulation, the line is here and they were back here.
Yeah, back up over that line is illegal.
Oh my gosh. This is the downtown east side for you. People just jaywalking like crazy. You good?
for resting a guy?
No?
Oh, at the corner there, 7-Eleven or whatever. it
Oh,
was.
really?
Yeah.
Good old Joyce Collingwood. Try and drive an RV in downtown.
Yeah.
What's it like driving an RV in downtown?
Kinda sucks.
Kind of an epic cluster, eh?
Yeah, pretty much. Especially I'm not even from around here, so it's
Oh, wow, that's even better. So you don't even know where you're going.
eh?
You don't even know where you're
No,
going.
not at all. So well, at least on a scooter and a bike it's a lot easier, right?
Yeah.
I guess so, but oh, I mean, we might die.
Do some stunts. Yes, that guy did stuff. There it is. Oh, you're crazy, dude. They don't even look.
No, they don't care.
And they don't care that that's a stop sign.
Is that waiting for us? I don't know why this guy's waiting for us. It's not a four-way. It's a four-way stop. I was like, why are you stopping there?
I thought he was wheeling out. I thought he was gonna go.
No, he's like looking at me, waiting for me to go. I'm like, I'm not going.
Yeah.
Well, that guy's not gonna
Yield
stop.
right away.
Yeah.
I hate when they yield right away.
Yeah, because
Everything out,
it
right?
just f***ed everything up, man.
And
Yeah.
then you're like, I can't because the other lane that you're not watching.
Yeah, and if they're if I was inexperienced, I would be like, I'd feel forced to go, but the other person
I've
hasn't
seen
been
it
clear.
on issues like that. Never take it, never yield it.
No.
Don't yield it. Causes problems. That's why there's a system.
Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Thank you. We're like literally just talking about that. Oh my god. What are you doing, buddy? What the hell is this thing doing, man? Dude, you gotta use your turn signals, man, because you're swerving all over the place and I don't even know what you're doing. Because you pulled over and then you're pulling out and you're not even like signaling or letting people know what's going on.
I've been uneven today.
What? Couldn't even hear what he said. Oh boy, what happened over here? Samir got rear-ended. Of course. What? Oh shit, check out this beast.
Just like, you want outdoor or indoor? More outdoor.
Shit.
We're waiting to fuel up.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Thank you.
This is beautiful. You work for a company or is this yours?
No, I work for the company.
Okay, I was gonna say, because have they gone on sale yet?
No, not yet.
You can order them, but they're going to be produced from September onwards.
Oh. Man, this thing's fucking incredible. This is like 1900 horsepower, right?
Yeah.
Whew. A little
Yep.
faster than the 49cc scooter
Vespa?
vest riding. Whew. Look at this thing. How many are they selling?
So there's going to be 150 made total.
150 made. Nice. This is like the future of hypercars, eh? Like just
It is,
like
yeah. It's pretty cool because it doesn't actually drive like a hypercar. When you put it in like a normal mode, it drives like 911.
Oh yeah.
It's just a really nice, comfortable car. But when you put it in track mode, that's when the beast.
Then yeah, you get all the horsepower, eh?
But when it's in like the calm mode, as we call it, and it's just like
Then it's nothing, right? It's just quiet, you know?
yeah. Oh, it's on right now. It makes noise.
I mean, it's so cool now with like supercars, hypercars going all electric, right? It's just such a, you know, you don't get the V12, you don't have a sound, but you just get pure torque and.
There is a sound actually. If you stick your head
horsepower.
over here, you can hear it. You have your helmet on, so you won't probably be able to hear it. But
Oh yeah, I hear like a
Yeah.
like a. Wow. I feel like I couldn't even fit in that thing. You know, I'd buy one, but you know, I can't fit inside, you know, so. Wow.
it's a bit difficult to zip through the traffic on like a scooter.
Well, I'm not the best with a scooter, you know, but man, what an incredible vehicle. And this is like all light bar in the front.
Yeah.
Woo. Money. You guys doing like a event coming up or something?
Yeah.
Showing off? I know you guys did one like what, last year? It was like you had a white
Yeah,
model.
we're doing like a tour through the U.S. kind of deal. In
Oh, okay.
In Canada.
Yeah.
Like a small little one.
Yeah. How much did he set you back? It's like 1.5 million, right?
These are
In US, it's 2.2.
Oh, 2.2.
Base price, yeah.
Ooh. Wow. Well, thank you so much. Let me check this out.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Are there like all the multiple models coming out, or just like the one so far?
So there's like there's two versions. Well, not really versions, but there's like a let's say a styling kit.
Yeah.
Call it. So there's an Aniversario, which is limited to 5 models, which are sold out.
Yeah.
Which looks a bit different. It's got like a different aero kit.
Yeah.
And then there is another package for it that has like a different wing setup with like some winglets on the side here and on the front.
A little bit more aggressive.
Yeah, a little bit more aggressive. Yeah.
Well, I mean, man, we got this much horsepower and torque. Like,
Yeah.
you need every fender, front, back, side,
Yeah.
underneath, over everything to keep this thing in stable.
Yeah, it's full carbon though, so you know it's very stiff,
Yeah.
and the car is extremely stable at speed as well. So the wing moves
Right.
fully adjustable, you know.
Beautiful.
So it moves with speed.
Wow.
Also drive modes. So
Wow.
it's an air brake as well. So
One day when I can become next PewDiePie on YouTube, you know,
yes,
I'll buy like 5 of them in different colors, you know.
you got it.
Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Wow, what a beast. Whew.